Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix alarm no sound issue in Realme Narzo 80 Lite. So before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open your clock app and then here you can see your alarms. First of all, allow your alarms. After allow your alarms, then turn on your alarms, clicking on alarm and then click on ringtone. Now click on allow. Now here you can, if you can select none, then select default ringtone. After select default ringtone, then go back to your home screen and open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and click on clock and then click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the cache and data of clock. After clear the data and cache memory of your clock, then go back the main page of your settings and click on system and update. Now click on it and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.